Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be replacing my phone battery. So here, if I unlock my phone and go to settings and go down to battery, I click battery health, you can see it's 74%. So and then you can see important battery message. So if it's below like 80%, you should replace your battery. In my case it's 74%, and you can see how fast my battery is going down. It was like 50% just now. So yeah, I'm gonna be teaching you how to replace it. So here we're gonna be working with an upgraded battery. TOTHL technology. And before you buy your battery, make sure it's capable with your model number. In my case, my model number is A188, and this one is compatible with that. So yes, I'm going to be opening it now. Before you open up your phone, you're gonna want to turn it off, just in case we do nothing wrong with it. Okay, now we're gonna be opening up our battery. Okay, hey guys, so here's everything you're gonna need. You're gonna need a screwdriver that can go into these screws. So today I'm gonna show you iPhone 6s. So I'm gonna be repairing an iPhone 6s. The two screws right there. You're gonna need a seal for the screen, adhesive for the battery, and some prying tools. And yeah, so here's our battery, 3200 milliamp hours. And here we go. Okay, so now let's take out the SIM card. We keep that safe. Okay. Now we are safe to open the phone. So we are going to get our screwdriver, and we're working, if you can, it's hard to see, we are working with a star. So here I have some screwdriver bits, and we are gonna be using this one. So now we just put it in and hit it with an unscrew. Okay guys, so now you're gonna want to get something to heat up the adhesive inside the phone. It's between the screen and the frame. That's how the phone screen holds up. So in this case, I'm gonna use a hair dryer and put it on high heat, very hot, and yeah, just heat it up for a few seconds. Okay, so that's done. It should be, yes, okay. So now we're just gonna pry it open and see if we can pry it open, because this is sometimes a struggle. Okay, here we go. So yeah, so now you're just gonna wanna pry it open. And then, okay, so now we can open the phone up. And okay, so this is what the internal looks like. Open this up. So you see I just used these two tools and then the suction cup. So here's our battery. It's upgraded. This is Apple's battery. It's dusty in here. So now we're just gonna want to get rid of this adhesive for our new one. So okay guys, so now you are gonna want to unscrew these 4 screws right here. So right there are 4 screws you're gonna want to unscrew, and then I will show you the cables you need to remove. So rest this on something. Let me try to find something. Okay, rest it, and then we're gonna want to get a screw. So these seem to be different. So now we can take this metal plate, and it'll leave us with 3 cables: the digitizer, front camera, and the screen, and the LCD. So we are gonna wanna disconnect the digitizer, and disconnect the LCD, and disconnect the front camera. And now we can take off our phone, and you want. So here's how I have my screws organized. I just have the back plate and the screws all next to them. Okay guys, so now we got the edges all cleaned up, and same with the screen, we got the screen's edges cleaned up. So now we're gonna figure out where the battery connectors. So the battery connector, it's gonna be right here, I think. So we're gonna need another screwdriver. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna unscrew. Okay, it was the same one. Sorry, first time. Unscrew. Okay, we're gonna place it right there, and then unscrew. So it's a bigger one, and then we're gonna take this off here. This should be a better way to take it off. Okay. So yeah, right here is the battery connector. I accidentally took off that one. But yeah, so just gonna organize the same way I did with the this plate right there. So now I'm gonna these flex cables. Gonna try to open it, disconnect the battery. I guess I can disconnect that first, and then disconnect the battery. Okay, nice. So now to take off the battery, there are these pull tabs, and it's gonna open up a layer of adhesive. So you just want to take that off. One second. These can be sometimes tough to get out. Okay, nice. So yeah, you just want to pull on this. Oh my gosh. We can remove the Taptic engine right here. This should be easier for us to do stuff. So I'm just gonna remove that because we might damage it. So remove the Taptic engine. Now we can remove the battery adhesive. There we go. The forbidden cheese. Oh. Let's see if the other one does any better. This makes it easier sometimes. So that's all we can get rid of. Gonna have to pry up on the battery. Great. So a trick I use is using some isopropyl alcohol. In this case, we are gonna use some isopropyl alcohol and then get the job done. Isopropyl alcohol, please help us get this off. Isopropyl alcohol, please help us get this off. So yeah, we're gonna have to see. So we don't even need this battery, so that's why we can be a little bit more aggressive. Isopropyl alcohol, please help us get this off. Isopropyl alcohol, please help us get this off. That's gonna be the new mantra, guys. we need some more isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol, please help us get this off. Okay, so we're finally exposing the adhesive. There we go. Okay, now we got our phone off without hurting the battery. We can get started with our new battery. Oh, just in case, if you thought about it, don't twist the battery or else it'll start smoking. And yeah, anyways, yeah, so we'll get this battery on, the new adhesive, the seal, and then connect everything, and yeah, we should be good to go. Okay guys, so I had a bit of an intermission to take out the spudger out of the isopropyl alcohol container, but I did that now. So yeah, anyways, so here we have our batteries. Our battery right here. So let's carefully take it out. So it's gonna sit like that, and we're just gonna connect it on the connector right here. I kind of have to get it in this, like in the way it is, and then connect it. But yeah, so you first connect it and then do it. But anyways, we need to put our adhesive. So I'm just gonna get all this glue residue off here. Okay, there we go. So now we're just gonna, okay. So here we have our adhesive. And so, okay. So yeah, we're gonna put it on the battery, take it out, and then put it on the phone. So let's, oh wait, crap. Okay, so now we have our adhesive on. We're gonna first connect the battery, and then we're just gonna place the battery. Okay, there we go. So we have our battery in. Nice. So we have our battery in. Connect this cable. There we go. It's connected. Battery's nice. Put in our Taptic engine first. Align it with the screw holes. And then we're gonna screw. Get the screw. put it in, and then we're gonna screw, get the other screw, and then screw. Okay, so now we screw on the bracket. So this bracket, let's get our first screw, screw it on. Oh my gosh. Okay, got our first screw in. Let's get the second. Okay, got our second screw. Now, okay, we got that in. Now we are going to get our screen, connect everything back together. Here are the clicks. Wait, actually. We get our seal. And then we align it. Okay. Now you want to push it in to the edges. I can okay, 1 second. Oh, I was doing it wrong. Sorry, guys. Okay, we got our seal. Okay guys, so after you get the seal, connect everything. So connect the LCD front camera and the digitizer. So connect them firmly. And then you're gonna wanna get your back plate and screw. Give me a sec. Okay. Screw on everything. Give me a sec. I'll just skip forward. Okay, after you connect everything, make sure the screen works. Just power it on by the home button. So we're waiting for the phone to boot up. And okay, nice. Make sure touch works. And then no SIM card install. Battery 62%. Okay, so after you do that, close the phone. Crunch should close.